welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys my latest ebook course. It's all about how to open an online clothing store. Now, are you tired of working a 9-to-5 and dreaming of opening your own online business and working from home? Then this e-course is for you. Now, some of the topics included in this e-course are all about conducting market research to find your niche and target audience, how to source products from wholesale vendors, set up your online store using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, market and promote your store through social media and influencer marketing, manage your inventory and fulfill orders, getting the best deals on shipping. And the best part, it's available in digital form, meaning that you can access it from anywhere, anytime, whether that's on your smartphone or desktop computer. You can also print out the course so you can write in your activity workbook and answer all of the questions to make sure you are defining your audience and fulfilling the idea of your ideal boutique vision. So if you're ready to go ahead, take the plunge to open your dream online clothing boutique, make sure you click the link in the description bar to purchase the ebook course now and get ready to build your dream life, learning everything you need to do, all of the steps you need to take to open a successful online clothing boutique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the course. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.